Good morning, CMS. Today is Friday, September 25th. So we are going to be standing for the pledge. After I click on it, there we go. Sorry, a little slow today. There we go. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, today's menu. Choice A, this is for Friday. Choice A is cheesy macaroni and cheese with barbecue popcorn chicken. Steamed green beans, fresh broccoli with ranch dressing. Choice B, cold Italian sub with salami, ham, cheese, shredded cheese, lettuce, and tomato with Italian dressing. That's a tough one. That is a tough one. Choice A or choice B, what to go for? I don't know. That might be a morning decision. Flip the coin and then go with choice A or B. Okay, now Monday's menu. Choice A is oven-baked chicken leg, mini muffin, mashed potatoes and gravy, coleslaw, applesauce, and fresh fruit. Choice B, Bosco sticks with marinara. Now the breakfast is yogurt with strawberry, Chex strawberry cup. Now, with that being said, please make sure you're doing it and you're putting in Monday's order either Friday afternoon or before 8 a.m. on Monday to help our cafeteria staff. Thank you so much for that. With that being said, most of you should have gotten a yearbook, all right? The only people that haven't gotten a yearbook are those students that are getting online education. Now, because you're getting online education, you will be getting your yearbook October 9th when you come in for Picture Day. Why? Because we have Picture Day October 9th for all students. So mark it on your calendar. Make sure that your hair is looking really nice. You put on a nice shirt. All right, so with that being said, if you have any questions about Picture Day, please go to Mr. Madigan's blog under CMS Picture Information. Attention CMS students and staff, Student Council will once again host our Socktober Sock Drive to benefit the Battered Women's Shelter and the Lodi Family Center. Last year, we collected 1,350 pairs of new socks. Let's see if we can beat that number this year. There's going to be more details to come. Now, 7th grade students, please turn in your shot records to the nurse. You are required to have a Tdap and meningitis vaccine in 7th grade. Now, we are going to move to the wonderful thing I'd like to call, and we'd like to call, shout-outs. All right, you guys ready for shout-outs? Okay, great. So, shout-out. Today's 6th grade shout-out goes to Emma Gardiner. Today's 7th grade shout-out goes to Chloe Benny. And today's 8th grade shout-out goes to Eric Pilot. Congratulations for you guys, you students. And now we move on to the teacher's shout-out. Mrs. Wingate. Congratulations, Mrs. Wingate. And now on the bulletin board, September 25th, the CMS PTO Spirit Orders are due. That's today. So if you don't have your orders in, unfortunately, you're not going to get a t-shirt. You're not going to get spirit wear. Sorry. All right. October 9th, yet again, I mentioned, is CMS Picture Day. That's all we have on the bulletin board. All right. The quote of the day. Think positively, exercise daily, eat healthy, work hard, stay strong, worry less, dance more, love often, and, of course, be happy. Here at CMS, we are respectful, responsible, and safe every day. All right, with that being said, that concludes the Colt TV News for this morning. You guys have a wonderful Friday and a wonderful weekend. Be blessed, Cloverleaf.